Hey guys, how are you doing today? This is just a short little video explaining to you what I want you to do in class today, Tuesday, October 6th. So you're going to go into our course page, and it's not published right now, but it will be when you guys are actually in the class doing this. So you're going to go in today's folder, Tuesday, October 6th. I put the link in there. Today you guys are going to start doing some stuff with latitude and longitude. I know we have not talked about what latitude and longitude exactly are yet, but latitude and longitude lines are basically imaginary lines that run vertical and horizontal around the globe that when two lines crisscross, they help tell the exact location of a specific place. Every single place on Earth has a specific latitude and longitude that when you punch it into a computer, a phone, or a GPS device, it'll tell you exactly what that thing is and where that thing is located. Anytime you guys use GPS in your cars or on your phones, it's figuring out exactly where you are using satellites, pinpointing exactly where you are using your latitude and your longitude. So that's really all you need to know for today's thing. You guys are just going to use Google Maps today to do a little bit of work. So I'll have you guys click on the assignment. You're going to open up the assignment and you're just going to download it to your computer and open it up. There are a couple specific things I want to make sure you guys know how to do today. Okay, I know it says Google Earth, it's Google Maps. So I have some directions here. You're going to visit Google Maps. It's a link. I'm going to read and show you what to do. You're going to go to Google Maps. You're going to search the coordinates on each slide by pasting them into the search bar. You're going to zoom in and out and look on the left-hand side to figure out where you are. Typo. You're going to type what you see and where you are in this document. Then you're going to use the snipping tool that you should all have. Copy and paste the image from Google Maps in the box on this document. So here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to scroll down here and see I have a handful of pages. I've given you coordinates. These coordinates are for the north, south, and east and west latitude and longitude lines. The first number is always the latitude. The second number is the longitude. Sometimes they're like this, positives and negatives, and they mean something, and we'll talk about what they mean eventually. Sometimes they're like this, a north and a west. Again, that means something. We'll talk about it another time. For each one, I want you to take this, put it into Google Maps, and I'm going to want you guys to write down what do you see and write down where you are, and then take a snapshot of it and put it here. Here's how you do those things. First, you're going to go to Google Maps. You're going to hold Control, click on the link, and it should open up Google Maps for you. Now, I don't want Google Maps opened in Microsoft Explorer. So instead, what I'm going to do is go back to our folder in Schoology and click the Google Maps link. And I'll have it set up so you don't have to do what I just did. So here we go. Okay. Now I'm in Kenmore, so showing you Kenmore because that's where I am. So what I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to go back to your assignment, scroll down, take the first one, copy. You can just do Control C or right click copy. You do not have to type everything in. Then you go back to your document. You go back to Google Maps, I should say. In the upper left search bar, right hand click paste, or you can do Control V and then just hit enter. What the hell is that, right? So here's what you do. Go down here to the bottom and click the little satellite button. Now you're going to have to scroll in and out a little bit to see what you want to see. In the bottom left-hand corner, it tells you where you are. We are in Surprise, Arizona. So where are we? Back to our document. Where are we? Surprise, Arizona. Now, what do we see? Well, if you scroll out a little bit, you'll see something called the Giant Triangle. It's like a touristy destination thing in Arizona. There's probably more to it than that. I mean, you can look at it if you really want to, what it is. But from space, it's called the Giant Triangle. So that's what you do. You just go right down. What is it? What do I see? Giant Triangle. Now here comes the fun part. What I'd like you guys to do is take a snapshot of this and post it there. You should all have something, here's how you do that. You should all have something called a snipping tool. Now I have mine anchored down here, and you guys might have it as well. It's a little pair of scissors with a circle. If you don't have it, you can probably search for it somewhere on your computer. I know you guys have a different version of Windows than I do, but you're supposed to be able to click down here and find it. Or it might already be attached down here, or it might be on your desktop. When you get the snipping tool open, you get it open, you just say new. And what it allows you to do is cut, you drag, click and drag. You can cut anything you want off the screen. You want to copy this. So again, you can do Control C or copy. Bring it back to the document. Control V or paste. You're going to get a weird photo. It's going to be nice and big like this. You're going to have to resize this. You're going to have to modify it a bit. Resize it like this. Okay. Go up here to where it says picture. Click picture and go to wrap text. And you want to do like through or tight or something like that. That means you can now click it and drag it, pop it in there, and then you're done. So it does take a little formatting and it's weird, but that's what you're doing for all these. You're going to do them for all of them and then upload it back in to Schoology. If you have questions, leave it in the chat room. Thank you very much.